grandfather and the two grandsons, they are always fighting each other and making argument. But grandfather always win the argument. But one day, these two grandsons, they catch one butterfly they keeping in their palm and ask to his grandfather, "Grandpa, is that alive or not?" Grandpa replied, that is dead. Then they will release this butterfly. And the grandpa replied that is there, that is alive. They will kill by cutting these two hands, and said that this is dead. That is why these two grandsons will be success when making argument with their grandpa. Then grandpa replied, "Don't ask this question to me. Dead and alive of that butterfly is in your hand." So my dear friends, to survive Tripura, to survive Tripura, that is up to your hand. And to survive our Northeast people, they are already marginalized by all this policy of the national central government. We should overcome one day. That is why we should unite together for such a very drastic change. Ang norok ni loge tunggu.